up, true fam? This is vlog 59 PHON-ER Gold dropping by to say what up. This is afternoon, kind of a vlog where we kind of had our stuff in the morning. Doing our job, so we just did some editing and stuff, etc. Now we are ready to do our first repair. Coming to us right now as we speak. It's an iPhone 6 regular, black or white, I'm not sure which, but we also have to change the ear speaker. So stay tuned and we'll be right back with you to show you how it goes down and how the whole breakdown goes. Broken and fixed. So we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this PHON-ER Gold, and we'll see you back with the repair coming up your way soon. Peace. Cut. Yeah, I mean, a lot of times once you open the phone, it's better to check, you know?
Yeah, of course.
And then each time a person calls me and they mention your name, you get a $10 credit. So then you can either come and collect that as cash or just credit towards your next
Awesome.
anything you want to do.
Okay, how much?
A total is 60 even.
Awesome.
Oh. And that's all, folks. Thank you for watching this PHON-ER Gold, and that's vlog 59, and we're out. Thank you. Peace. Cut.